Hello all, welcome to Lifestyle Compass, decoding life sciences from education to career. In today's video, we will be discussing how to apply STEM OPT and OPT, how we fill the form and how we apply and everything. Link below. As soon as you log in, then you can see the option called file a form to my account. Then you will be selecting I-765 employment authorization I-765 that is. Then your what is eligibility category? If you are applying for CPT, then you will be selecting student pre-completion OPT. If you are applying for OPT, then post-completion OPT. If you are applying for STEM OPT, then it will be STEM extension as per my knowledge. And you will be clicking a starter form. Once you click a starter form, then page will be loaded and you will be clicking continue after reading all these. That is next. So then again we'll be clicking start the form. So again here STEM. So in my case it is like a STEM OPT. So I will be clicking STEM extension. If you're applying for OPT, you will be applying for pre-post one. So here what is your degree according to your I-20, you will be selecting the particular thing. In my case, Masters in Medical Informatics. So I will be writing that. And employer's name as listed in E-Verify. What is the employer name? You will be writing, and E-Verify number will be given by your employer. Then you will be writing that. Would you like to request for premium processing? If you want to process, yes, you can. In my case, it is no. So, what's reason for applying? So, since I'm applying for OPT, I will applying for initial permission to accept employment. Then, if you, in my case, it is STEM OPT, so I will be clicking renewal for permission to accept employment. Have you previously filed the I-765? Since I have filed I-765 for my OPT, I will be clicking yes. If you're applying for OPT, then you will be clicking no. Then proceeding to next. If someone assisting you completing application, always click no because you should be completely conscious what you're what you're filling. So filling the basic details like your name and everything. And if you have a that other name, click yes. It will be asking you what is the other name. If not, no. Then the basic details, your phone number, and your email address and your current mail address. Make sure you give the right mail address. Your mail address and physical address should be same. So in that case, you'll be selecting yes and basic information, marital status and gender, then clicking next. And what is the city or town or village you birth? Always look after your passport and fill these details. These are the very crucial details. Always fill according to your passport. And for Form I-94, you will be you can just open a new tab and click I-94. Then you can find the website, official website. You can click on Get Most Recent I-94. Then once you acknowledge and agree the conditions, then you will be giving your name and last name and everything. Then you can find a travel history over there. You can download it in PDF format, and you can find the travel record in same I-94. And date of arrival and place of arrival will be also found. In my case, it is JFK. My immigration has been happening there, so I will be doing that, and it will also be provided in your pass in your I-94 record. You can find it. And what is your travel document? Leave it blank. And expiration date, make sure you provide the right one. And which country you issued, the nationality of the country which have issued. And current immigration category, you will be selecting F1. Uh, that is, yeah. And service number, you will be writing from the I-20. Then click next. What is your year number? This year number can be found on EAD. if you're applying for STEM OPT, you might have already got the EAD card and you can find that. And the second USAC online account number will be automatically populated. If you're applying for OPT and you don't have a social security card, then you can click yes, then you can click no, and then you can provide yes. So in my case, I do have a SSN, so I'm clicking no, and then I'm proceeding. Do you want to? You can take the pictures in Walgreens or as Walmart as well, but even phone while using phone, but sometimes mostly this won't be acceptable. But try your luck. But I would highly recommend go for Walgreens and apply for. You can take a photo. So I already have my photo during OPT, so I'm applying the same thing. Then I will be providing next. Then previously I have mentioned the I-94 how to download the PDF. So I will be attaching that I-94 form from my computer. So once I uploaded the I-94 form, if you're applying for STEM OPT, definitely you have a OPT EAD card. And if you're applying for OPT and if you're already applied for CPT, then you will be have a CPT EAD. Accordingly, you will be applying. So even if you don't have a EAD and initially you are applying for OPT, then probably it won't be asking that because initially we will be giving for post completion OPT we will be selected, so it will be not asking that. I believe in it. So and you will be applying I-20. Always request the fresh I-20 for STEM OPT. That is for OPT. During OPT, you will be requesting the international office for I-20 for OPT. And once you are around about to finish the OPT and applying for STEM OPT, you will be requesting again for the I-20 for STEM OPT. Then you need to sign it. Make sure you sign it and upload it. So I already had a signed copy. I have scanned and mail myself, and you will be clicking next. Then college degree program. So here you will be requesting your registration office to send the transcript. So in my case, I have already requested. I do have my transcripts. Always in transcripts, it's supposed to say that it was like mm, your STEM, your education has finished in STEM OPT, that is science, technology, engineering, and management. So once you done it, then you will be proceeding for institution accreditation. You can leave it blank, but in my case, I just uploaded something which is from the, but you can just skip this phase. So once you have done it, then review your errors. If in my case, I don't want to reveal my details, so I just done it. So you can review and fee and pay the fee for the STEM OPT. It will be like for non-premium, you'll be paying around $470, I guess. And if you're applying for STEM OPT, I mean OPT or STEM OPT, forgive, forgive me. For premium processing, it will be taking around $1,500 for information. So hope you like this video